Want to make $100 or more working less than 4 hours a day? In this video, I'll show you how. My name is Abbey Ashley, and I started my career as a virtual assistant, and now I've trained over 6,000 people how to have their own online business. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make $30 to $50 an hour, which yes, is $100 a day in 4 hours or less of your time each and every day. This is not just something I've done for myself, but that I've trained so many people how to do as well. So I'm really excited to share this video with you. But before I forget, if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified every time I release new content. Check out some of these big wins from our students. Sarah says, I started my business a month ago and have 6 discovery calls, 5 proposals sent, and 4 signed contracts. Such a blessing for a new mama who wants to be home with her new baby girl. Danielle says, celebrate. I had my first discovery call today and I booked my first ideal client. I'm so excited to get started and do something I absolutely love. Trisha says, I just signed my 5th client and my first client, which I've had almost 6 months, wants to re-sign. Woohoo, I'm so excited. Susanna said, hello Savvies, I've landed 3 clients this week. I wouldn't manage without your support. Thank you to the moon. This is seriously what I live for. So if you're interested in making $100 a day with these skills, let's jump into what they are. The first one is general virtual assistants. And I start with this one because I actually think it is the skill that most people should start with. Becoming a general virtual assistant is perfect for beginners. If you have skills like data entry or answering customer service emails, doing calendar management or scheduling emails, scheduling social media, or sending out invoices, you could be making $30 to $40 an hour as a general virtual assistant. In my opinion, this is the fastest way to get started. You don't have to learn a lot of skills up front. You can literally get started with the skills that you already have. Number 2 is social media management. We have tons of our students that maybe start as general virtual assistants, but then go on to become social media managers. Now, you could be just scheduling the content that the small business owner makes, or maybe you make the content yourself. It depends how creative you are, or if you want to bring somebody on your team that has that creative skill. That could be making carousel posts, short videos like reels, or you could specialize onto a platform like LinkedIn, which is more writing based, right? And so there are so many ways that you can really hone in and specialize your skill as a social media manager. You definitely have the ability to raise your rate. Most of our social media managers do package-based pricings, but they break down to somewhere from $45 to $100 an hour when you really break up how much time it takes them hourly. One of the reasons why I love this one is because small business owners are always needing help with social media. It's a big pain point that small business owners have. So there's definitely a huge demand for this service. Next is website design. And this is definitely for the person that wants to learn a higher end service. You can create websites on WordPress using a tool like Elementor or Squarespace. If you really learn how to build a website, then this is an invaluable tool because business owners are always needing either updates to their website or a brand new website created for them. And so again, this is a higher end skill. You may sell a website for $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, right? Depending on the intricacy of that site. And then your hourly rate would be determined by how long it actually takes you to build that site. So again, you usually don't actually say the hourly rate to a client, but you know in your head, okay, this is a $3,000 website and it took me 10 hours, so my rate was about $300 an hour. Let's talk about being a REVA. You know what that is? Not McIntyre, real estate virtual assistant. Whether it's helping these real estate agents with scheduling, with their listings, with transaction coordination or social media, this is a really, really high in demand service. And if you learn this specialized skill for the specialized industry, then you know exactly where to find your client. And because you've really specialized and honed your skills to a certain industry, instead of charging maybe the standard 30 you would for a general VA, you may be able to get closer to that 40, 45, or even $50 an hour mark. Let's talk about community management. There are communities popping up all the time that need community managers. I know that we have people on our team that help manage our massive group of 135,000 people. Shameless plug, if you haven't joined that group, you should go to thevirtualsavvy.com/community. We have jobs posted every single day inside of the group. Maybe you're managing a LinkedIn group or something on a platform like School or Mighty Networks, right? There are so many community platforms out there, and we need people to actually answer the questions, to engage in the community. These These are called community managers, and you can easily make that $30 to $45 an hour with this skill. All right, it's poll the audience time. Let me know in the comments which one of these services sounds most appealing to you. Which one do you think you could do as a virtual assistant? Let me know. All right, number 7 is email management. Guys, I cannot emphasize enough how much small business owners need people to help answer their emails. We can literally get hundreds or even thousands of emails in our inbox every single day. And Lord knows I can't answer all those emails by myself, okay? This is why I need to have an email manager that comes in, that filters out the ones that I should be answering, that is actually answering customers on my behalf, that's answering inquiries about our courses and our programs. And it is so, so valuable to have an email manager on your team. And this is why small business owners are hiring them for $30 or even $45 an hour. Number 8 is Pinterest management. Pinterest is such an amazing resource that I think sometimes small business owners forget can be such a valuable platform. It works really well, especially for those in the clothing industry or food industry, but even bloggers and online business owners are using Pinterest more and more to drive traffic to their site. So yes, this is a specialized skill. You will have to learn the strategies behind how to actually manage someone's Pinterest well. But once you do, this is a really, really high-end service. Your packages may be $300, $400, up to $600 per month, which will break down to usually $60 to $75 an hour. In the same way, podcast management is one of those skills that you can have packages in the $3, $4, $6, I've even seen $1,000 packages that are on a monthly basis to manage somebody's podcast. And it really can depend on what all you're going to be doing for them. Are you just going to be editing the podcast? Are you going to actually be posting it, creating images, doing show notes, booking guests? There's a lot to be done with managing a podcast, which is why this can be a really, really high-end service once you learn it. And then number 10, online bookkeeping. Maybe you already know QuickBooks Online, or maybe it's something that you've just always had a knack for budgeting, and so you think that you could quickly learn. Online bookkeepers can make $100 per hour or more with their services. And the good news is literally every single business should have a bookkeeper in their corner. All right, so I've listed my top 10 work from home jobs that pay $100 per day or more, but you might be wondering, okay, how do I actually learn these jobs? Well, every single job that I've listed here today is actually a course inside of our Savvy Vault growth community. Inside of this membership, you're gonna get weekly coaching calls on how to launch and grow your business. You're gonna get monthly growth drops on how to raise your rates, do VIP days, to really specialize and hone in on your marketing. And you're getting access to over 50 tech and industry trainings like the ones that I listed here today. Go to thesavvyvault.com if you're interested. It's a month-to-month membership, cancel anytime. All right, that's all I have for you today. Let's do what we do in these videos. Let's beatbox it out. Savvy Vault, y'all. Woo!